Imagine a tree standing tall, its branches heavy with vibrant, alluring fruit. But beware, this isn't just any tree, it's the infamous deadly nightshade. Its berries, a tempting shade of glossy black, contain potent alkaloids that can cause hallucinations, paralysis, and even death. Just a few of these fruits can be lethal. Historically, they've been used in potions and poisons, making them a favorite among witches and poisoners alike. Nature's beauty can be deceiving, and this tree is a perfect reminder. Not everything that glitters is gold. Stay curious, but tread carefully.